Hi everybody, welcome to the Dreamery. Today we're going to be talking about littleBits. And if you're not familiar with littleBits, basically littleBits are an introduction to circuitry and digital prototyping. They're magnetized electronics that allow you to create all kinds of different circuits that will have different outputs. You can use temperature sensors, you can use buttons, you can use extenders, power supplies, motors. This also works hand in hand with Lego, which is super nice. And so what we're going to do is we're going to explain each bit and what it does, and then I'll show you guys the basic of a circuit and what we can make with these kits. So the main bit that you're going to need whenever you're working with littleBits is a main power supply. So this will run off of a 9-volt battery as well as just a AC adapter, which we also have. So that is the blue bits. The other bit that we have here is a pink bit, and this one is called an input. So these consist of your toggle switches, buttons, sound sensors, microphones, etc. And then we have an output bit, which are green. Now these could be lights, these could be buzzers, and there are all kinds of different ones that you can choose from. And then last but not least, there are orange bits. The orange bits work as branching or just extending from one bit to another. And so to kind of show you guys an example of what this is capable to do, all you have to do is plug in your 9-volt battery into your power bit. I'm going to click it on here. You should see a little tiny red light. And then what we're going to do is we are going to snap together. Everything is magnetized, so you can't do it wrong. So we're going to magnetize the button, and then last but not least, we're going to magnetize this bar graph here. And what you'll notice is I've created a basic circuit. And when I click that button, we get that nice bright light that shows up. So the combinations of these littleBits are pretty endless, and you can create all kinds of different digital prototyping, basic prototyping. This also works hand in hand with Lego, and we do have all of those kits available here in the Dreamery. So that is the basics of our kit. What this kit is exactly is a basics kit, so there are all kinds of more of the simplistic bits inside of this one. There are more advanced kits that you can get from littleBits. There are kits that are Arduino themed. There are also kits that have to do with Marvel, Star Wars, so they do have themes that you can build with specifically. One of my favorite ones is the LED matrix one, which allows you to program all kinds of different animations with lights. You can do text coding and all that kind of stuff. But that is the basics of littleBits and what you can do with them.